Human trafficking is connected to many other issues in our community, from drug activities to gang activities to family violence to kids missing school, runaways. It alters the education of a child. It's a crime that also crosses state lines, that goes from one state to another state, that we're constantly tracking. The Lexington Police Department has investigated several cases of human trafficking. One recent case involved a runaway that became involved in prostitution. Late last year, while working a prostitution operation, our investigators found two teenage girls being advertised online as escort. This led to charges by several agencies, including the FBI, to those responsible for the trafficking of these girls. We have partnered with Lighthouse for Life in many ways. Lighthouse for Life has been a great resource for our officers, have provided training during our semi-annual block training sessions. This gives our officers throughout the department more background and understanding of human trafficking. The Lexington Police Department has also partnered with Lighthouse for Life on community educating, letting those that live and work in the town of Lexington what to look for when they see signs of human trafficking. And lastly, and this is most important, the Lighthouse for Life is a great partner to have for our victim advocate and investigators as we work cases involving victims that need resources that are beyond our reach. Lighthouse for Life is a great community resource and does so much for the victims as they make that transition from human trafficking situation to hopefully a normal life. My name is Chief Green with the Lexington Police Department, and I support Lighthouse for Life.